Hey friends, welcome to the Marketing Automation Beginner Series. I'm Rubia. I work as a DevOps consultant at a London-based agency, and I'm super excited to guide you through this journey into the world of marketing automation. So in this series, you will learn what marketing automation is, why it's essential for modern marketing, and how it can help streamline your efforts to reach your audience more effectively. So basically, in this course, you will learn a range of topics, including understanding your audience and creating customer personas, setting up and using popular automation tools, crafting automated email campaigns and lead nurturing strategies, automating your social media and content marketing efforts, analyzing your data to track and improve your campaigns. So basically, we'll have like a kind of live demos where I'll be helping you out with the best practices on creating email campaigns or creating a list or even like workflows in order to automate your entire processes. So who can learn marketing automation? So this course is like perfect for anyone who is willing to learn about the new skill. So whether you are a digital marketing specialist or if you're a current marketing student or if you're a small business owner, this series will provide you with the foundational knowledge and practical skills that you need to excel in your business or in your workplace. And the next one would be real world case studies. So we will explore some real world case studies to show of how businesses have successfully implemented marketing automation to drive growth and engagement. So I'll make sure that these examples will provide you with insights and inspiration to apply to your own strategies in your projects or for your freelance consulting projects as well. And for those who are aiming to land a job in marketing automation, I'll provide some tips and resources to help you prepare for job interviews. You will learn what skills employers are currently looking for and how to show your expertise in marketing automation as well. So coming to the course benefits. So there are two course benefits when you watching my videos. So the first one is unlock opportunities. So once when you master the marketing automation key concepts, it will open doors to exciting career prospects and business growth. The second one is boost efficiency. So once when you master, you will be able to automate marketing tasks, which will save tons of time and resources. And then you can start focusing on more creative and strategic processes inside your organization. The next one is skill development. So in terms of skill development, we have learn and grow, unlock potential, and real world application. So learn and grow, you'll be able to enhance your marketing skills through hands-on experience with my live demo sessions. And the next one is unlock potential. We'll be able to master the art of marketing automation, which will help for your career advancement. The third one is real world application. So you will be practically applying these automation skills to the current marketing challenges that you face in your organization or for your freelance clients that you're working with. So I will make sure that each of the videos that I record are interactive, and I will cover the key concepts and modules for marketing automation. And in terms of experience, you basically have to have an interest and then you have to have some marketing experience. So once when you have a kind of background knowledge of how marketing automation works, you will get the concepts very quickly. And I will also try to cover real world examples of successful marketing automation implementation that is being used by various companies. So you will have an idea of how it works. And I will also update some tips on how to showcase your marketing automation skills in your interviews. So in case if you get stuck somewhere by watching any of my videos, please feel free to drop a mail to rubia@rubianaseem.com, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. And if you can also drop a comment, that is fine as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. This is all I have in my intro video. So see you all in my next video then.